do 75% of gym goers plateau in their muscle growth? Let's crack the code. All right, fitness fam. Today, we're diving into easy habits to supercharge muscle growth. First up, sleep. Yeah, that's right. Make sure you're catching those Z's for at least 7 to 8 hours a night. Your muscles need that beauty rest to grow. Next, let's talk protein. No need for fancy shakes. Just aim for a balanced diet with enough protein. Think chicken, eggs, and lentils. Basically, eat like your grandma told you. And don't forget to hydrate. Your muscles are like sponges. They need water to perform. Lastly, consistency. Stick to your workout routine and don't skip leg day. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more fitness in a flash. Stay healthy, stay strong. Catch you later.